Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 16th video in Qt5 C++ GUI application development. In the previous video we have learned how you can create font dialog in Qt5 C++. You can see that this is from the previous video. If you haven't watched, you can watch the previous video and I will add the video link to the video description. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a color dialog in Qt5 C++. Okay, now let me close this and open my main window.ui. In the font you can add another menu item, I call it color, and also I'm going to give an icon for this, and double click this and open the icon image. I have already uploaded the icon to my resources. This is the icon that I'm going to use, and click on OK. Now right click on this and go to slot and trigger. And here first you need to add QColor Dialog in your header file, QColor Dialog like this, and now open your main.cpp. Now in this section we are going to create a boolean variable bool OK, and now create a QColor and name it color, QColor Dialog, and get color. Now in here give the default color. I'm going to give it Qt yellow, and also the parent is this. Okay, now after this I'm going to create an if condition. If the condition is true, if it is true, I'm going to set my text edit color, set text color to my color, and pretty simple. Okay, this is our simple code. Now I'm going to run this and I'm going to check. These examples are from I have made the application in the previous video, so you can watch those videos for adding menu and menu items if you need. Okay, now it's the build is completed and I'm going to check this. Okay, now it's completed. You can see I have a color. If I click on this, I have a color dialog, and if I write something, for example, please subscribe the channel, and like the videos. Okay, now I'm going to select this and font color. You can see by default it's yellow. I'm going to choose a color, red color. Okay, let me check this. Okay, and here I have forgot to add a reference to my OK, because right now if I choose the color, let me run this again, it will not work, and it's building, and I think the problem is in there. Please subscribe channel, and if I choose this font and color, it's not working. You can add a reference to OK, and let me run this again. Hopefully now it will work. Now it's building, and the build is completed. And now if I write something, please subscribe to my channel, And if I select this and if I choose color and red, now it's changed. And the font 16 bold, now it's changed. And also you can change the color again, for example this color. Now it's changed. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.